Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 10 to 6. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. And without me wasting your time, let's get to the story of today. If you know yourself, you love gossip as a man. Stay away from September, guys, because one day the wives they will realize you are the reason why they are turning against each other, and it seems like Tobile, Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Matele. Now they are realizing was the person that is turning against us. Here it is the man that we think is perfect, Babam Seleko, guys. So it seems like they are done with their therapy section. Now they are back to reality, guys. We can see on the trailer, Umatele and Musam Seleko, they were having a conversation. Umatele was like, do you still remember you once told me that you will never marry Umayeni? Musam Seleko act as if he doesn't know what is going on. He's saying, now you have to talk about the past. What do you mean? I never say those things. That makes sense why Umatele she has so much anger. She thinks she's better than the other wives, guys. That things that Musam Seleko will tell her, guys. So on the other scene, we see Umayeni, guys. Umayeni, she had enough. She's saying that she's tired of Musam Seleko's wives, and Musam Seleko is letting them to disrespect her, guys. She's saying that, you know, the problem with Matele, you know, Matele is saying that Umayeni, she is against everything in Muzumbe, guys. You know, that's the reason why Umatele and Mayeni, they don't respect each other. It's because of Musam Seleko, guys. You know, imagine telling your other wife, you would say, I didn't want to marry this person. What do you mean? No wonder why Utobile, she thought she was the Kim Kardashian Yakamsa, because she was told a lot of things. Go Matele and go Mayeni, guys. One thing I love about Mangwabe, she understands what Lendo that he is not perfect. You know, Mangwabe, guys, has been warning us from season 1 to say, I think it's from season 4. She's been telling us what the reason why they are not, you know, they are turning against each other is because of the man Musam Seleko. And guys, we have not seen that. We thought, oh man, Mangwabe, she's just talking because hamba. This is the last thing. God, now we can see what, you know, the problem here is Musam Seleko. Musam Seleko needs to fix himself. Not every gossip is needed. There's no need for you to share everything. What's happening on Tobile, you need to come and tell Matele. What's happening in Matele, you need to go and tell Mayen. No wonder why these wives, they don't respect each other. So we cannot wait tomorrow, guys. 8 o'clock on Mzansi Magic. It is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday.